Hello, thank you for checking out my channel today. My name is Mdevaan. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button. Today's recipe is a fried pork stew with rice. Thank you so much for dropping by today. This recipe is going to be basically straight to the point. I'm going to boil our pork first, a little bit of parboiling while our pepper mix is already on the burner. I'm trying to reduce the water content of the pepper mix, and I'm going to boil our pork right now. First thing I'm putting into our pork is a little bit of curry. This is a very simple, straightforward marinade, nothing special. A bit of curry, a bit of thyme, and then I'm also going to add onions, red onions, chopped red onions with seasoning. Next in goes our garlic and ginger, chopped garlic and ginger. This is totally optional, but I really love parboiling meat with ginger and garlic, and then a little bit of salt as well. If you don't like salt, please avoid and stick just to seasoning cubes, and then bits of fresh pepper, and we are ready to go. So that's boiling. While we check on our pepper, our water has reduced so we can fry in a bit. Our pepper mix is boiled down. The next thing I'm going to do is fry our pork in groundnut oil while I boil our pepper mix in the stock. First thing, pour in a little bit of onions to make sure that your oil is flavored, because I haven't used this oil before, and then I'm going to go in with our pork meat in bits till I fry everything. Next, we're going to use the stock. Initially, I was going to fry the stew, which is why I said a fried stew. But before I do that, I'm going to boil our pepper in the pork stock to increase the flavor profile and just to make it, much yummier. Our pork is totally fried. This is the last batch, and then our pepper also has boiled down in the stock, which makes it way sweeter right now. And the next thing I'm going to do is add our groundnut oil, the groundnut oil that we used to fry the meat, and then fry that down a little bit, and then add our pork meat. It's pretty much a very straightforward pork stew, nothing complicated. So after putting in our pork, I just let that fry down a little bit more. Remember that our pepper mix cooked already very well in the stock. Our meat was parboiled, fried, and then is now being cooked again. So everything here is properly and well done. Thank you so much for watching. Have you hit the subscribe button? I really really appreciate this view. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to be trying this recipe, or let me know how you prepare your pork stew for rice, potatoes, yam, whatever you use pork to do. Thank you once again for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.